What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back and happy Sunday. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you, and welcome if you're new and you're here for the first time. Today's video is going to be a deep clean and a bathroom decorate with me for the fall season. It's a new season. Let's bring it in with a clean space. Let's get into it. So the first thing I like to do when starting off a bathroom deep clean is just to remove everything off the counters and then start to spray down my surfaces. So all of the products that I use throughout the whole bathroom. I don't have one product for one surface. Everything can be used on multiple surfaces. So as the video goes along, I'll be sure to pop up the products that I use. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section. Enjoy! Okay, so before anybody asks me, no, I do not recommend this vacuum. Yes, it's cute, but it was $100 and I kind of wish I would have continued to save for my Dyson. But okay, whatever. We'll get there one step at a time. But later on, you'll see me mopping the floors with a steam mop. Now that was a great investment, and I believe it was under $100. So I'll be sure to list that in the description box. Okay guys, so this is the steam mop I was telling you about a few seconds ago. It has about, I want to say 8 to 10 attachments. You only need water, but of course you see me using a little bit of Lysol spray. I just want to have the surfaces as clean and sterile as possible. So right now I'm using it detached, but you can also put the long stick back on and turn it into an actual steam mop. But like I said, this thing is awesome and it is worth the investment. Okay, so now that I'm done steaming the shower, I just take a wet washcloth and thoroughly rinse everything so all the chemicals are gone for my baby. That's him in the background. So I just changed the attachment and I'm going to go ahead and get the floors mopped. Okay, the floors have been sterilized, but I'm just going over the corners with the Lysol wipes. I just like to make sure I didn't miss any spots. This is something you can do to second check your work. Just go over the floor after you've mopped them, because sometimes dirt can hide in the corners and we just want to get everything as clean as possible. So all of these products you'll see now came from Walmart. I missed the Bath and Body Works sale, so I had to, find a substitute. I haven't actually burned these candles, but I'll let you know once I do. Except for this one, the Better Homes and Gardens. Oh my God, it's bomb. But the rest of the Find Your Happy Place line, I will review them and get back to you at a later date. These are a couple things I got to go as a part of my spa night. And the glasses you see me opening now are technically called apothecary jars. I got them from Walmart. So I'll also do another spa night video, so look out for that coming soon. As my boyfriend is preparing to hang a shelf above the toilet, I'm just taking alcohol and cleaning the back of the wood on this painting so that there's a better adhesion. So I wiped it down with cotton balls and alcohol, and then I put two-sided tape on the back. We're just marking a hole in the wall for where we want the painting to go.
So I got this all stocked up the way I am probably gonna keep it for a while. I brung the curtains back up from the wash. These are some towels I found at Walmart and Marshall's because I just wanted to be able to put out some fresh towels for us to use, as well as hand towels to dry our hands. And I got a couple of decorations for the shelf, so I'm just gonna finish a DIY project that's gonna go up on it'll go up on the shelf. I don't think I'll put any decor on the top shelf because I only have about roughly 6 inches, so it would have to be something small. Between each shelf it's about 7 inches. This one's 8.5, and then this one's 6.5, and then I still have about 2 inches between the bottom of the shelf and the towel rack, which is enough clearance because at the end of the makeover, we will no longer use this towel bar for our bathing towels. It'll just be used for the towels, the hand towels, when we want to dry our hands, so we don't need as much clearance. And then we'll put our grateful sign. We got to be grateful all year round, not just during the fall, but all year round. God continues to bless us. He definitely blesses my life and is the head of my life, so I don't care if it's spring or summer. I gotta have grace and mercy first and foremost, and I'm always gonna be grateful. I'm always gonna be grateful for every day that I'm walking this earth and every day that I'm walking this earth pain-free. I have the eucalyptus mint. This says essential oil bathroom spray for use in the air, and you can squirt it in the toilet, so we'll leave that there. So I like the balance because there's a whitewash finish on here and here. So having the white lanterns on the top shelf just gives a nice symmetry to our faux wood and our faux planter. And I like the balance of having the gray and white wash stained wood on the top and the bottom shelf. And then there's a little bit of gold in the pumpkin, so that matches the gold, frame, the gold trim. So it just shows you that you can mix metals and you can mix textures. Or do y'all like it better with the washcloths on the shelf or without? I kind of wanted to add a candle up here. I don't know. So let's put some twinkle lights inside of the lanterns and see what that does.
Okay guys, so after I finish rearranging my new hand towels, I will get ready and show you all the reveal. I thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this journey. If you enjoy videos like this, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know anytime I upload a new video. Continue to watch and be blessed.